Here we are with Aleck and Derek, and it's Sunday morning. Got the welding truck out, getting ready to go weld on some corrals, lay some money beads. That's how this game is ran. What do you think, Aleck? You gonna be the welder's helper? Ain't gonna help? Anyways, if you're looking for a good welder and welder's helper, right here we are. We'll come up there and show you boys how it's done. I mean, this ain't no fucking ConocoPhillips. We don't rope no fucking bulls in the salt grass. We fucking weld. So, if you need some people to come up there and show you how the money beads and the money grinding is done, just give us a jingle. 1-800-MONEY-BEADS. Later.